My name is Evgeny Ring. I'm saxophone player from Germany, and I'm gonna play with Eva Klesser Quartet tomorrow night here at the World Culture It's not Jazz Festival, it's World Culture Festival. It's very impressive how big this festival is and how many artists, musicians, dancers, filmmakers are participating at this festival. I never saw something like that before, and we are pretty positively overwhelmed about that festival. It's my third day here in Pakistan, and I've met only nicest people in the world, I guess. It's so very kind and friendly, and all want to talk to me. I want to hear and talk to them. I feel very welcomed here, and I love the food. It's very delicious. I really love it.
I'm Felix Hauptmann. I'm a piano player from Germany. I live in Cologne. I just arrived yesterday, so I've been here for around 24 hours. I didn't see a lot. I was in a hotel and here in that place, but everybody that I met so far was very nice, very polite, forthcoming, very helpful. And I met some very interesting people already here at the festival, which is very nice, that are kind of either from here or from other places in the world. So I think it's a very nice place to be at the moment. And I think the artists are amazing, so it's definitely worth the trip.